What's the deal, y'all? Just picked up the brand new rims, man.
Nice.
Thick ass tires. These bitches get 275s on these bitches all around. What the fuck the size is that? There we go, 275, 45. Anybody see these tires too? I might tell him to put my shit on then, fuck it. I might tell him to put the shit on.
He'll put that shit on quick as hell.
Hey, I got all four of them hoes. What's the deal, Smooth family? And we back with another video. In today's video, I bought my rims the day before yesterday. I just didn't get a chance to install them yet. So today, we're going to install them, finally. 2 spare tires in the front and these 2 ball tires in the back. But when I get to the destination, I'm gonna show you all the rims. Right now, we go get a little POV drive to pick up the rims and then go get them installed. Like a little scat over there. Look clean. But yeah, it's a nice little fall day out here. I believe it is Tuesday. I don't know what's the exact day. It's a charge right there. Might try to cut up. It's a charger behind me. Just look clean.
Got him!
Yeah, man. So after installing these rims, I might think about doing like a straight pipe video or something like that. Cause my shit's still kind of quiet. I still think this bitch stock for real. If it got anything, it's probably missing one side of the exhaust or something. So that's why I really want to get up under here and look at the car and see how the exhaust look. Cause I can see the ones all the way in the back, like by the exhaust. Those 2 heavy motherfuckers still on. I'm trying to think about what's the other 2 on. Cause those 2 might be cut for real. If it is, shit, that save me money, but I will want to get the content for real. So that would be a bad thing and a good thing though. Fuck, we gonna make her do what it do though. I don't feel like they trying to race. I ain't trying to race you. I'm chilling, buddy. I got something rattling on my front. Yeah, shit. Probably my bumper or something. Yeah, man. I got with a new diffuser, if y'all didn't see from last video, if I ever dropped that. But if not, I'm gonna show y'all again on this. But the middle of my diffuser came off while I was going about like doing the speed limit on the freeway, I should say. I was doing the speed limit on the freeway.
Cap.
And then I heard clunks on, pulled over to the side, so I picked it up. I mean, I got my car and look, I just saw my little yellow diffuser piece on the floor. I'm like, oh my God. I thought my whole bumper fell off, but it was only the piece of the diffuser. Luckily, that's a vet right there. Damn. Nigga, the vet off. Keep the audience woke, you know. I don't want y'all to click off the video because y'all like, this nigga just talking and driving. You know, some of my subscribers, they actually be vibing with me though. They like when I'm chilling and talking sometimes. You know, I'm hit the gas, of course. That's the point of the car. Watch my blinker on. But over here, we just catch funny shit. Well, let me stop cussing, but we just catch funny stuff on camera. Just like, look, is that a scat? Nope, RT. But yeah, we just catching funny stuff. Just glitches in the matrix for real. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't know the buddy. What's this love? I need my brakes done too. That's probably gonna be one of my next miles too. I also want to install some Brembo brakes for when I'm going fast. I'm trying to race a motherfucker. Well, of course in Mexico, you know, I don't race in my hometown. But most of my videos, I always drive and do that long trip to Mexico.
What the hell did you just say?
So no worries, y'all. We always drive to Mexico during our videos. Or we're in Mexico. Yeah, man, so the rims I did get, y'all gonna see when I get there, but the tires that I got on there, they all thick all around. So they like, I can tell y'all the tire size, because it don't matter, I'm not telling y'all the actual rim, but the tire size, they 275s all around. I'm hoping they fit, because I believe that charging and Dodge charging, not charging the Challengers, they can fit 275s all around. So hopefully they can fit without rubbing and nothing like that. If so, I just take down the 2 front, because I know the back can fit up to like 305s without you having like the wide body shit. shifting, don't it? What's the deal, man? So basically I'm gonna give you all the update of the rims. These rims I grabbed. This is my buddy. Scatpack. 275. Got these. I got another one. And there's one already in there. I might just put this in the back seat, for real. Get you all when we in the car. So what's the deal, y'all? We are on the way to the tire shop. As y'all see, we got the tires loaded in the car. We're about to head to the tire shop right now and see what they're talking about. So we are about to be headed to the tire shop to see what they're talking about. Hopefully they don't overcharge me or try to talk no crazy price. Me, I'm just thinking that they just put the rims and the tires on for me. And then whoever just put them on for me, make that quick little paper real quick. If y'all gonna try to charge me an arm and leg, just put on some tires and rims that I didn't even get from y'all. And I'm gonna let y'all have the 2 spares. You might as well throw me a little discount. That's like 40 right there, 20 a tire, 10 a tire at least. I don't play, but we'll get here see what they're talking about. I'm gonna have my phone on tripod. Hopefully they try to think I'm a YouTuber and give me a little discount and shit. You know how that shit go. Hopefully. Some motherfucking Firebird right there. It's a Camaro or something. Thick ass tires, man. Hopefully, I'm gonna do a video from 0 to 60 before. Well, not before because I already did before. Well, I'm already right here now, but I'm gonna do it after. Hopefully, I get better launches because if y'all know, the tires that I got on the car right now, terrible. They bald too, and the brand of the tire is terrible. I don't know what brand it is. I ain't gonna throw you out there and bash you like that, but whatever brand it is, terrible. So shit right now, getting the rims put on now, swapped out. This one already on there. Look good. New shoes is looking good on there. Red caliper there. Put a little thumbnail right there. This way. Oh, no. Oh, dude, hit that shit there. Nigga had hella curb bars on that bitch though. Fucked up my damn diffuser. Whole middle piece gone on that bitch. Oh damn. I was gonna ask y'all, can y'all take the spacers off too? Yeah. Spacers on there? I was gonna ask y'all, can y'all take them bitches off? Damn. So this all look complete. That motherfucker looking good, black dog. And I do the front caliper red, or the color I'm doing. Nice my look, there's 2 on there. This nigga smooth though. So far the drive on the freeway, it been smooth, but I feel like I need to get like my front right tire rod fixed or something. Cause like when I get to like certain high speeds, I get to shaking a little bit. I don't know what that car doing. I get to shaking a little bit. So I'm gonna get my suspension parts checked out. Everything besides that, I think we're looking smooth. Everything's driving smooth. I still need to snatch these spacers off, but the dude at the shop told me that, yeah, that's better. That's how they want it to look. You want it to look like, what the fuck is that? Bro. These niggas don't know how to drive in Mexico, bro. Fuck y'all got 2 trucks back to back with rakes and all kind of shit in that bitch, bro. Take that shit somewhere else. You should not be on the freeway. That shit falling on me. I'm for sure getting some paper off the Suski. Off the Suski. Good Suski coming. Damn, like they got the Tahoe trucks out here. Oh, this bitch. Damn, he just brake checked like a motherfucker, didn't he? That's the electric escalator over there. Come on, what are you doing? This fucked up ass tail light. You got tape on your shit? They be putting tape on their tail light thinking they slick. Like, we know that's not the actual shit. I'm gonna try to do a pull right here. Hopefully it's not slapping, so I can try to do a pull for you. Check my surroundings.